4 minus 2 which equals 2, then 3 times 2 which gives us 6, 12 divided by 6 which equals to 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and addition, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, in this expression there is one division here, one multiplication here, and one parenthesis. Okay, inside the parenthesis there is subtraction. According to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, and then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this parenthesis or this division, it is wrong. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, then 4 minus 2 which gives us 2, then 12 divided by 3 times 2. As I have told you that division and multiplication has equal priority from left to right. Therefore, we have to do this division first. 12 divided by 3 which equals 4. Then times 2. Okay, 4 times 2 is just 8. This is the final answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem is equals to 8.